Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going to learn how we can import memory from another AI-enabled tool such as ChatGPT or Gemini to Claude using a built-in import tool. So this process basically involves three steps. The first one is that we get the export prompt from Claude. The second one is to run the prompt on the another AI, and the third one is to simply paste back into Claude. So let us see how to do this. So the first thing that we'll need to do is get the export prompt. So in order to get the export prompt, simply click onto the account picture over the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, simply choose the settings option. Now from here, go to the capabilities, and within the capabilities, you will see memory. Inside memory, you can see import memory from other AI providers. Bring relevant context and data from another AI provider to Claude. We will provide you a prompt that you can use to fetch the memory from your other account. So from here, click onto this start prompt and simply copy this particular prompt that you have. Now paste this prompt onto the another AI from where you want the data. So for example, if you want to move the data from ChatGPT or maybe from Gemini, simply paste this particular prompt to Gemini or ChatGPT and it will give you the results, and you will need to simply paste the results that you have obtained to this particular placeholder and then click onto this add to memory option, and it will import the memory from ChatGPT or Gemini to Claude. So that's how easily you can import memory from other AI providers in Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.